Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Plus. Today I come with this viral math question. Try to solve by your own to feature in our shortout list. Here these are the top commenters and top challengers. You can compete with them. So what we have, 54 divided by 3 parenthesis 4 plus 2. So what we will do, 54 divided by 3, 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6. Again we will write 54 divided by, we can simplify as this. Now in the next step, 54 divided by 6 times 3 which equals to 18. Now 54 is divided by 18, we will get 3 as an answer. So do you think this is the right way? No, this is not the right way. So what will be the right way? We will rewrite here 54 divided by 3 times 6. We will follow here the PEMDAS, and here two operations are there. Actually we will simplify here more, one step more, 3 times 6. Now here we can see division and multiplication operations are there, and both operations have the equal priority, and we have to solve from left to right. So first we solve for this division part. So when we divide 54 with 3, what we get? 3 times 1, that is, we can solve here. Okay, simply like this. 3 times 1, 18. Okay, or simply 18 we can write, but I have to solve for those who don't understand this. 18 into 6. Now simply 18 times 6, 18 times 6, whatever is it, 72 actually. This is multiplication table. 18 times 6 which equals to 72. So here 72 is the right answer. So watch these videos and try to solve by your own, and subscribe channel for more videos like this to train your brain. Thanks for watching.